Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello again and welcome back to a new video. And today, inshallah, we will talk about Unit 9, the world of food, and specifically, we will discuss the ninth period in this unit. So please open your books, page 24, and let's start. Today, inshallah, we have four activities. The first, all the activities we are talking about the rule that we talked before about countable and uncountable nouns. We have some grammar activities, and at the end, we have a speaking activity. Let's start with the first activity. Where can pairs talk about the food and drink for your class party? In general, we are talking about grammar, but we will use lots of speaking here in this lesson. So let's do the task here. Use how many and how much. Let's see the examples here and then do the rest. Uh, Dialogue between two people. How much lemonade is there? There is a lot of that. We can see that we have 5 bottles. So it's good. So we don't need to get any more. Okay, how many chicken legs are there? Chicken legs. There aren't very many of those. Right, so we need to get some more. Yes, let's get 2 kilos more. So they are checking what they have and what they don't have, so they are going to more of it. Let's use how many and how much. And don't forget that we use how many with countable nouns and we use how much with uncountable nouns. Let's start by the first one. How many bottles of lemonade are there? Let's go from left to right, okay? Like this. Use how many or how much. Pause the video, try to do them, and then check. Burgers, what do you think? Or let's do it with together. Yeah. Burgers, how many or how much? How many burgers are there? Excellent. About cakes, can we count them? Yes, we can. So, how many cakes are there? Okay. What about the rice here? We have 3 bowls of rice. So, how many balls of rice are there? Balls of rice. So we can count them. Okay, what else? How many sandwiches are there? Very good. We have 3 sandwiches. So we need to bring more sandwiches. Okay. What else? How many cartons of orange juice are there? We have just 1 carton, so we need to bring more. What about much? Can you use much by asking about things here on the tab? How much rice is there? Very good. How many balls of rice? But how much rice? Excellent. How much salad is there? We can't count salad. And how much orange juice is there? We're asking about orange juice, so how much? But if we're asking about cartons of orange juice, we will use how many. Excellent. Let's move to the second activity. Write your shopping list, then use it to say what you are going to get. A and B. A. We are going to get 2 kilos of chicken legs. This is the shopping list. And we are also going to buy. This is our shopping list. Let's try using we are going to buy. We are going to buy. Excellent. 4 cartons of oranges. What about sandwiches? We are going to buy 7 sandwiches. We are going to buy 2 kilos of chicken wings. And we are going to buy 10 bags of chips. Try to write your own shopping list and use this phrase we are going to buy blah blah blah. Thank you. Let's move to the third activity. Complete the statements. Add a or an, some, the, or nothing. Let's revise the use of them quickly. We use a and an before singular countable noun, especially when we are mentioning something for the first time. The listener don't know anything about the subject. Okay? We use some before countable and uncountable nouns. We use some before plural countable nouns and also before uncountable nouns and affirmative statements. And we use that when we are mentioning something for the second time and we think that the listener knows what we are talking about. And we use nothing, zero articles when we talk about something in general. Okay? All the things in a group, we will use nothing before these words. Okay, let's try to do the task. We'll do the first two as an example, and you have to pause and do the rest by yourself. One, I'm hungry. I'd really love a burger and some fries. Very good. Two, people in Japan often drink in general, so green tea. But here in Palestine, we can only buy black tea. I'm talking about something in general, so we will use nothing. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pause the video, please do the task, then check your answer. 3. These two kinds of rice are both very good, but rice I bought last week. So we are talking about a specific type of rice. So the rice I bought last week is more expensive than the rice I bought today. We are talking about specific type of rice. Okay, 4. We all know that fruit and vegetables in general are an important part of a healthy eating. 5. You can get milk in large, regular, and small sizes. In general, we usually buy the large size. 6. Excuse me, but I'm trying to find greengrocers. Can you help me? Any greengrocers, okay? Yes, of course. The nearest greengrocers isn't very far. And we said before that before superlative, we use them. It's about 100 meters along the street on the right. On the right or on the left, we use that for right and left. Okay, now the last activity is speaking time. Just practice, like the example here, practice using prefer. Okay, we have two phrases here or expressions. We use what you like offer something, and we use I prefer something to something else to say that we like something more than something else. What would you like? Or what would you like? You can have an orange or some grapes. When you want to ask someone to have something, would you like an orange or an apple? Or which would you like, coffee or tea? And if you want to respond, oh, I prefer the orange, please. I prefer or I would prefer this one. Okay, fine, here you are. Thanks. I love oranges. Just practice this dialogue and you can just change the words between brackets and use the a different kind of food using would you like and I prepared something. Okay, and don't forget that we use I prefer something to something else. This was our lesson. Thank you for attending. See you inshallah in the next lesson. This is Mr. Abdullah Sharrab. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.